1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, here we are.
I can hear you. Yeah. We can hear you.
I think I'm locked in.
CS5, when will you release it?
I'm salivating.
Oh yeah. This is really unbelievable.
No.
Amazing.
Awesome. Wow. Whoa.
Ooh, I didn't know that was possible.
I've been waiting for something like this for a while.
It's incredible. Why are you guys so smart?
We're going to give you this because you save us many work.
I think we need to go home and start up fireworks.
Thank you, Lord. Yeah.
I'm looking forward to see more.
Welcome to the Creative Suite 5 Global Launch Event. I'm Shantanu Narayan, President and CEO of Adobe. For more than 25 years, Adobe has delivered on its mission of revolutionizing how the world engages with ideas and information. We've done it by providing the technologies that change the way people work, live, and communicate. And our newest Creative Suite is no exception. In fact, CS5 is a phenomenal release that enables you, our customers, to design without boundaries while speeding the creative process from concept to execution. In addition to providing great design tools, we're also focused on helping you achieve maximum impact by reaching the broadest number of customers possible. In fact, that's the goal of Flash Player 10.1, a groundbreaking release that enables uncompromised web browsing of expressive applications, content, and video. You've told us that it is critical for you to deliver not just creative brilliance, but also business results. Last year, Adobe acquired Omniture, the leading provider of online business optimization and analytics. And I'm pleased that only in a few short months after the acquisition closed, we have built some of Omniture's power into CS5 through integration directly into the creative workflow. For the first time, this will tie together content creation with content analysis and optimization. From our earliest days in business, Adobe has been dedicated to helping you bring your creative ideas to life. Today, we're expanding our offerings to both the design and development communities through CS5 to tackle the challenges of delivering personalized content that can be monetized across a variety of devices. We're proud to partner with the community as we all navigate this road ahead. And now, here's Johnny L. to tell you more about CS5.
Thanks, Shantanu. Well, it goes without saying that we are wildly excited about the latest version of the Creative Suite. Not just because it has an overly abundant number of wicked cool capabilities, but because these new features are being complemented by its ability to solve true end-to-end creative workflow challenges. Now, we know that a creative workflow may start with great tools, but it's grown to be much more than that. Today's workflow spans from the creation and assembly of rich content, to the delivery of that content, to the viewing of that content on any device or surface you can imagine. And then, and here's the new twist, the test and optimization of your content as you begin the creative cycle all over again. Now, for the last phase, that's why we're so excited about integrating the new Omniture content measurement and optimization services. These will enable you to measure your content's performance, be that an advertisement, a book, an article, a web page, whatever you create, and on whatever device it's consumed. It's not just about creating great content anymore, it's about ensuring you can optimize that content for improved value. Now, the first phase of this integration will appear in Creative Suite 5 with much more to come, so stay tuned on that front. To give you an even better canvas to showcase your interactive content, Shantanu mentioned that we're also delivering a new version of the Flash Player along with CS5. The new Flash Player enables uncompromised viewing of expressive applications, content, video across a multitude of gadgets, including smartphones, netbooks, tablets, and other network-connected devices. For delivery, we have our Flash Media Server, which is the back-end solution for serving up and protecting Flash content, and Scene 7, which is our dynamic image and video hosted service. Those have been shipping for quite some time. They will be joined by a new offering called Business Catalyst, which is our all-in-one set of online services for small to medium-sized businesses. It provides a turnkey set of integrated solutions for e-commerce, web hosting, email marketing, and custom analytics. Now, as you can see, we've filled out many key parts of the creative workflow, but we haven't forgotten that it all starts with the tools. Idea generation and creating and assembling content begin with the Creative Suite. And this version, CS5, is the most advanced set of tools for designing and developing the most compelling content for any surface. So why are we so amped up about CS5's ability to impress you? Well, we've always been at the cutting edge of innovation, and with CS5, we're not going to disappoint you. Dramatic time savings for everyday tasks, blazing fast performance including 64-bit for Mac, an entirely new Mercury video engine, and GPU optimization for accelerator cards like NVIDIA. And lastly, as one reviewer put it, eye-bleeding cool features that will make your work stand out in a crowd. Now this is really great stuff, but hey, talk is cheap. It's time to wow you. So for the next several minutes, we're going to take the wraps off of CS5. We're going to show you previews of our favorite suite features, some amazing new Photoshop CS5 capabilities, and brand new online services for creative professionals. For each of the segments, I've only given my team 5 minutes, so we're going to go through this pretty rapidly. But for those of you who want more detail, there's a great deal of information on our website. Since time is short, let's get to it. As a designer today, you're working hard not just to make nice designs, but to help make your business successful. You need to design across multiple mediums and devices. Increasingly, you need to apply your skills to new media like the web, video, and interactive content. Well, with CS5, you're going to be able to express your ideas in exciting new ways and work faster without sacrificing precision or quality. You'll be able to experiment with interactive media without writing any code. And we're going to streamline the tedious but critical processes like client reviews. So now, here are some of the coolest aspects of the CS5 design suites.
Hi, I'm Terry White, Worldwide Design Evangelist for Adobe Systems. I'm here to show you some of the exciting new things in Adobe Creative Suite 5 Design Premium. So the first thing I'd like to do is show you a little bit about Photoshop CS5. So I have this horse and I just need to move him over. So the first thing I need to do is make a selection. Now that I have this selection, I actually need to make that selection better for the mane and the tail on the horse. And so one of the things that we can do is we can grab Fine Edge command. And this new Refine Edge has built-in edge detection with Smart Radius. So as I move this slider left and right, it will pick up more detail in the mane and the tail, but also keep the body intact. So we'll click OK on that, and that will make our selection. The next thing we'll do is we'll just duplicate that onto its own layer. Now that I've got that on its own layer, I'm just going to go ahead and turn that layer off. We'll go back to our background because now we need to get rid of the original horse and fill it in. So let's go to our select menu one more time, load that selection. We'll grab the second selection, which is a little bit more liberal, and we'll just hit delete. And you've never been able to do this before, but now with the new content-aware fill, it will intelligently figure out what would have been there if the horse were never there using the surrounding areas. And now, like magic, the horse is gone, but the background is filled in. We'll hit Command D to deselect. We'll grab our horse.